everyone, I am Anika Gandhi from Anika's DIY Life, and today I'm showing you how to make this wall plant hanger. This is an easy and quick project to add greenery to your space. Not only do you not need power tools to make this, it's really versatile and you can get really creative with it to fit your style and decor. You can build 1, 2, 3, leave them natural, stain them, hang them separately, or join them together for an interesting feature. The sky is the limit. Now let's talk about the supplies you need for this project. All of these can be ordered online at homedepot.com, or you can use similar supplies from around the house too. First, we need pots. I'm using 4-inch clay pots. You can use any little pots you might have at hand. I don't recommend going much larger because they might get too heavy. You need square 3/4-inch dowels. You need 54 inches for each of the 4-inch pot hangers. These are available in lengths ranging from 2 feet to 4 feet. You need a way to cut the dowels, and we can use a miter box and handsaw, or you could use a miter saw. And then we are going to use super glue to hold everything together. We need some D-ring hangers and sandpaper, plus measuring tape, pencils, screwdriver, stain or paint of your choice, which is completely optional, and safety glasses. Now these pots are 4.5 inches in diameter and the lip is a 1/4 inch thick. So a 4-inch square would be perfect to hold them in place. So let's start making the cuts. I'm going to make the 4-inch cut first. I'm going to show you how to make this cut easily using a miter box and a handsaw. You just align your mark with the 90-degree groove in the miter box and cut using your handsaw. You could make this cut using a miter saw as well, but these pieces are pretty small, so be sure to pay extra attention to keep your hands at least 6 inches away from the blade when cutting. Now we are ready to assemble. We've got 8 4-inch pieces and 4 5.5-inch pieces. But before assembly, I'm going to give each of these a light sand to remove the splinters. Not only do these not look good, they make the joints uneven. I also like to give the sides a quick sand to smooth them out because it's a lot easier to sand them before assembly. To assemble, the first step is to apply a dab of super glue to one end of the 5.5-inch piece and hold down your 4-inch piece. Make sure it's aligned on all sides and straight, and hold it down. This glue has a 10-second hold time, so you just count to 10 Mississippis and move on to the next one. I also like holding these top down, so gravity can help me a little bit as well. Finally, add another dab of super glue and glue down a 5.5-inch piece on the top. And that's our square. Then on to building our second square. Now we're going to add 4-inch posts to each corner of the square using super glue. And then add the second square frame on the top and hold it down. And here's the cube. You can add D-ring hangers to hang it up. But I wanted to make it more fun, so I put 3 of them together with super glue. This is a quick and easy project, and if you wanted, you could use popsicle sticks and hot glue to make something similar as well. You can add stain, add color. Just let your creativity run wild.